Your lab technician, who you've been using for all of these years, decides to retire. Now what? You have all of these cases, and you now need to go and find a new person to create a relationship with. It's really scary. You know, I grew up in a household where my dad was in manufacturing, and he always said to me, Jonathan, whatever you do, you don't have to do everything in your practice or in your office, but make sure you know how to do it, because one day something will change in your practice, and if you don't know how to do it, everything will come to a halt. So my recommendation is not that you should do everything, but make sure you know everything and how to do it, or at least about it, so that you have the ability to make sure that either you do it on your own correctly or you engage people that can do it correctly, because you cannot criticize or constructively criticize someone if you can't do it as good, if not better than them. Join Dr. Dunlop and me for the event of the year,